Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the Collecting Attorney, back in with another video. And my Jumbo Hobby Box of 2021 Series 1 arrived a day early. I started making a video and for some reason the video cut off, so I've already taken the plastic off. So there's the plastic. Move it to the back. I had just managed to open the box loader. And that was Luis Robert. So that was as far as I got. Not a great start to have your video cut off, but we'll keep going. So as you know, I opened my Jumbo Hobby Boxes over 5 days. So today we got the 2 silver packs, the top load, the box loader, and 2 packs. I'm going to open 1 silver pack at the start here and 1 silver pack at the end of the video. So we will see. All right, so as you can see, it's the 1986 design. Looks very sharp with the chrome. So we got Spencer Howard, rookie. And there are the backs of those. Very sharp. Christian Javier, rookie. There's a Roberto Clemente. And a Chipper Jones. Let's see, I'm not sure how they are doing the colors on these, if there are, and there are colored parallels, but I don't know how they are setting them up. So we will set these to the side, and let's get right into the first jumbo pack. So, for those of you who want to see the odds, get the odds here. If I can get the odds. Wow, that was something. All right, so there's the odds. Let's see what we get. All right, first up, let's just look at the cards themselves. So this is Sixto Sanchez, rookie. First look, they're pretty glossy. They've got a 70th anniversary Topps logo at the top. Maybe a little bit off-centered for some of these, but there's the back, pretty clean. The names are pretty hard to read down the bottom here, but I actually overall like the design. So let's see what other ones we get. Luis Castillo. Anthony Rizzo, Pedro Severino, Max Fried, got an Edward Olivares, rookie, Jose Abreu, league leaders, Amir Garrett, DJ LeMahieu, Roberto Perez, Chris Bubic, Bo Burrows, rookie, Bo Bichette, Future Stars, Jacob Junis, Omar Narvaez, Orlando Arcia, a rookie card of Evan White for the Mariners, Jesse Winker, there's Luis Garcia, rookie, Carter Kaboom, Evan Longoria. We have a rainbow foil of Jack Flaherty. rainbow foils are not numbered. Pretty nice looking card. All right, insert for Ronald Acuna Jr. on the 86 style. A Stars in Service insert. Let's take a quick look at the 86 insert. So the 86 style of tops. It looks like, despite the fact that it's got the black border, that it's pretty good in terms of coloration. And there's the back of that one. And the Stars in Service insert, Clayton Kershaw. LA to Zambia. Clayton and his wife raised more than $85,000 for coronavirus relief efforts in LA and Dallas. It's a pretty cool insert. All right, back to the regular pack. Steven Matz, Mark Canha, Willie Calhoun, Sal Perez, Albert Almora Jr., Julio Urias, Max Kepler, got a Mitch White rookie, Future Stars of Trent Grisham, Eduardo Rodriguez, Dansby Swanson, Justice Sheffield, Cavan Biggio, the Orioles team card, Roberto Osuna, a Blake Taylor rookie, Walk Off Apart, Distant Celebration, Josh Bell, now with the Nationals, I believe, Sean Doolittle, Tampa Bay Rays, Dab on them, and Juan Soto. So I just want to take a look. So the see if the printing issue from last year is still there. So it's just side by side. So the horizontal parallel, for those of you who put them into binders. So in a binder, this one would be bottom left and bottom left. So it looks like the number on the bottom left. So they may have resolved the issue with the way that the printing worked this year. So that's good news for any of you who like to put their cards in binders. So let me sort out my piles here. All right, let's go to pack 2. We'll do this one a little bit quicker, and we'll see what we get. All right, we've dodged the curse, it looks like, of getting one of the big hits in the first pack, but maybe not. We'll see. Jose Urquidy, Future Stars. Daniel Johnson, rookie. Dalton Varsho, rookie. Santiago Espinal, rookie. Isaac Paredes, rookie. There's a Christian Pache, rookie. He's one of the touted rookies. He's been touted for quite a few years now. Miguel Cabrera. There's another nice one. Ryan Mountcastle. Another big rookie. This is actually a pretty stacked rookie class. If it comes good, it could actually rival 17 and 18 in terms of the rookie class. Carlos Correa. Daniel Murphy. Certainly not saying that we're going to get Acuna or Soto type superstars out of this year, but cumulatively, I think we may have a good class. Brad Hand, Nomar Mazara, Austin Hayes, Robbie Ray, Do It for the Fans, Mauricio Dubon, Ketel Marte, Javier Baez, Jean Segura, Colton Wong, Danny Santana, Miguel Andujar. Looks like we have this is a gold foil, maybe? I think this is the gold foil version of Javier Baez, which is actually pretty snazzy. It's it's not numbered, but gold foil, it looks pretty nice. Let's see, we got Roger Clemens, and let's see, what is this? Blake Snell, Tampa Bay Rays. This is the 70 Years of Topps design insert. So 70 Years of Topps. Let's just take a quick look and see what the odds for that is. I don't know. You can pause it and take a look and see the odds for one of those inserts. It's probably every couple of packs, I'm thinking. Aroldis Chapman, Lorenzo Cain, Jonathan Daza, Kyle Lewis, Rookie Cup, Stephen Vogt, Trey Turner, Jorge Alfaro, Alex Gordon, Wade Davis, Yu Darvish, Travis d'Arnaud, Ryan Yarbrough, Arizona Diamondbacks, Pittsburgh Pirates, Ryan Brasher, Elbows Only, Air High Five, Trout and Upton, Kevin Gausman, Max Scherzer, LA Dodgers, Garrett Richards, and Jacob deGrom. So that's the first two jumbo packs. Didn't get any of the hits this time, but that means that there's more of a chance that tomorrow's packs will bring the hits. My first impressions of the cards, they are pretty nice looking, actually. I actually am pretty happy with them. They are pretty clean. They've got a little bit of design to them. The names could be bigger, but the overall card design is actually pretty nice. And if you take a look at it with the coloration on the design, I think it actually looks pretty nice. It does have a kind of Bowman feel to it, but overall pretty nice. Okay, so the last pack for today is the second silver pack. Let's see if we get any autographs. I did get an autograph from a silver pack a couple of years ago now. So let's see. We got Josh Donaldson, Bo Bichette, nice one. Trevor Story, and Shane Bieber. So no autographs from the silver packs this year. No color from the silver packs this year. But I do like the silver pack design, 35th anniversary 86 version. And pretty nice set of cards to collect if you want to collect those. So I'm going to end this video here, and I hope everyone will come back tomorrow for the next two sets of packs. Again, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone. Good night.